So, Mr. Hepton, what do you do in small engines?
Well, Kylie, small engines is a class where we work, hands-on class where we work on small engines, the theory behind why they work, and we tear them down and put them back together again.
Hepton, do you need experience to take this class?
Well, Maylin, no, you don't. I'm glad you asked because a lot of people think, oh my gosh, I've got to know all this background and be able to do all this. No, we have kids that come in that have no idea. They just want to try something new. And it's a great opportunity for them to get experience with some hands-on mechanical and tool knowledge.
Thank you. What kind of student would enjoy small engines?
But glad you asked. I think pretty much anybody would enjoy it, especially if they like working with their hands, figuring out how things work, and just want a basic understanding of how motors work.
And what kind of engines do you work on?
Here at the small engines class, we work on Briggs & Stratton small gas engines. We will look at like two-cycle engines a little bit, like the weed eaters and chainsaws, some of those smaller engines, but primarily the Briggs & Stratton.
All right, thank you.
You bet.
Lastly, can this class help with future careers?
Absolutely. In future careers, as far as like mechanics, because you learn how the basic engines run. It helps with developing how like different things work. And so that way you get your minds thinking on how that can happen. And then even if you want to work on like make money on the side, you could work on small engines that way as well.
Mr. Hepton, what exactly is viticulture?